No down payment, no equity, low cash out, 10,000 lang, lalabas ko. Totoo ba to? Para malaman mo. Tagal. Game. 10,000 lang ilalabas ko. No down payment, no equity, cash. Hindi. No down payment, no equity. 10K lang, lipat na ako. Totoo ba to? Panoorin mo muna to. Pangit. No down payment, no equity, 10,000 lang ilalabas ko, makakalipat na ako. Totoo ba to? Bago mo kunin yan, panoorin mo muna to.
Hello everyone and welcome to our second vlog. So, on this video naman, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga naglalabasan ng mga no down payment or ng mga no equity payment ng mga promo ng different developers. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nito pagka no down payment or mga no equity payment or yung mga maliliit lang na cash out tulad ng 10,000 lang ang lalabas mo or 5,000 pesos lang. So, in this video, I have 5 key points to share with you. So, first, ano ba ang down payment? Ano ba ang equity payment? Or, alam mo yun, ano yung no down payment at ano yung no equity payment? So, pag-usapan natin yan. Second, bakit kaya nag-o-offer sila ng developers ng mga ganitong klaseng promo? Third, ano naman yung pros and cons ng mga no down payment or no equity payment ng mga property purchase? Fourth, i-debunk naman natin yung 10 times rule or yung 10 times na rule of thumb na dapat na ginagamit natin to assess kung mga magkano ba yung halaga ng property na dapat natin bilhin. And last, as a bonus, bibigyan ko naman kayo ng tip or rule of thumb na pwede ninyong gamitin kapag bibili na kayo ng property at hindi lang yung 10 times rule lang ginagamit natin. Sa rule of thumb naman na ito, I can assure you na malaki ang chance na ma-approve ang inyong housing loan. So, let's start! So first, alamin muna natin ano bang pinagkaiba ng down payment at ng equity payment. Technically, they are just the same but it serves different purpose. Down payment is pinapakita lang nito na you're really interested in buying that property. Mapa-pre-selling man yan or ready for occupancy ng mga properties or kahit anong pang property type yan, hinihingan tayo ni developer ng down payment para maipakita yung ating intention na gusto talaga natin bilhin yung property. When it comes to equity payment naman, basically, yung down payment natin is part of the equity payment.
Nice.
Pag sinabi natin equity, when it comes to the technicalities, it is basically your net asset or your net worth sa property na yun. So, of course, meron tayong price na pinag-uusapan when it comes to property. For example, 10 million. Then, nare-require ka niya ng 20% equity payment. Ibig sabihin, 20% dun yung kailangan mong bayaran along the way at yun yung magiging net worth mo sa property na yun. So basically, meron ka pang 80% na loan. So ano naman yung no down payment at no equity payment? So basically, sinasabi lang ni developer, pwede kang bumili ng property nang hindi ka naglalabas ng malaking pera na binabayaran natin at 0% interest. So basically, nagtatanggal tayo ng portion ng presyo ng property na binibili natin without the interest.
Oh my God! Wow!
Kasi merong portion ng property na binabayaran natin at 0% interest, which is your equity or your down payment, at meron din namang part ng property na binabayaran natin through loan. Yun naman yung nag-i-incur ng interest. Bakit kaya nag-offer si developer ng mga no down payment or no equity payment lalo sa panahon ngayon? So alam naman natin na tumama ang pandemic at maraming naapektuhan. So, para mapababa yung barrier to entry at makakuha pa ang mga developers ng mga willing na buyers na naghihintay ng ganitong pagkakataon, binababa nila yung equity payment ng mga binibenta nilang property. So, first, they want to attract buyers and new buyers, especially first-time buyers, kasi alam naman natin na property prices are at all-time high. So, sobrang taas ng property compared sa affordability nito today when it comes to the average na salary ng isang tao na naninirahan sa Metro Manila. And of course, to give ease sa mga property buyers para hindi sila maglalabas ng malaking pera agad, lalo ngayon, panahon pa ng pandemic at marami pang uncertainty. Ano naman yung kagandahan or mga pros kapag bumibili tayo ng no equity payment or no down payment ng mga properties? So first, hindi mo kinakailangan maglabas ng malaking pera agad. It can be lower monthly payments or it can be lower down payments or it can also be no down payment at all or no equity payment at all. The second thing, it is easier to process when it comes to property purchase na mga mabababa ang down payment. However, common lang ito para sa mga properties or developers na nag-offers ng mga rent-to-own. So, tungkol naman sa rent-to-own, pag-usapan natin yan sa ibang video. So, subscribe ka na sa channel na to and click that bell para alam mo pag lumabas yung video na yon. So, ano naman yung mga cons or bad sides or disadvantages pag kumukuha tayo ng mga no down payment or no equity payment na properties? The first disadvantage is that it doesn't reduce your loanable amount. So basically, kung no down payment ka, zero down payment, ang mangyayari sa'yo, 100% ng price ay loanable amount na. So usually, hindi naman talaga to pinapayagan ng mga banks.
No! God, please, no! No!
At nagre-require talaga ang banks ng mga down payment, pero very common kasi yung mga gantong scheme for in-house financing. So pag-usapan natin yan in the future. And another disadvantage, bakit hindi mo na naising kumuha ng mga no down payment or no equity payment ng mga properties is because 100% nga ng price mo is loanable. Basically, 100% of the price will bear interest.
No! God, please, no! No!
So, sabi nga natin kanina, equity reduces loanable amount. So, with lower loanable amount, meaning, magiging mas mababa na yung monthly payments natin sa ating housing loan. So, in-house financing man yan, mapa-bank financing man yan, or mapapag-ibig financing pa yan. Fourth key point, i-debunk naman natin yung 10 times rule na ginagamit ng karamihan bago sila bumili ng property. So, yung 10 times rule, ginagamit naman nila ito para malaman or mag-estimate ng halaga ng property na pwede nilang bilhin based on their annual income. So, if you're earning around 500,000 per year, times it by 10, you can buy a property that is worth 5 million. However, hindi sa lahat ng oras kasi gumagana yun eh. Kasi, sabi nga natin, you need to find the right balance of equity payment or down payment versus your loanable amount. So, it can be 10% equity, 90% loan, 20% equity, 80% loan. So, it depends. So, yung magiging monthly payments mo kasi sa loan will depend on the loanable amount. And yung loanable amount will depend on the amount of equity na ipapasok mo sa property mo.
Wow!
So, basically, kahit pa 500,000 yung annual salary mo, then multiply it by 10, 5 million lang yung pwede mong bilhin, it doesn't work actually that way eh. And more importantly, hindi rin yan yung ginagamit ng mga financing institution sa pag-approve ng mga housing loan. So, ano ba yung ginagamit nila at pwede rin natin gamitin kapag maghahanap tayo ng property? So, bago natin i-reveal kung ano ba yung mas magandang gamitin na strategy sa pag-estimate ng property na pwede mong bilhin, reviewin muna natin. So, ang down payment or ang equity payment ay basically your net worth na ipinapasok mo sa iyong property purchase at zero interest. Second, the pros and cons of the no down payment or no equity payment na offers ng mga developers. So, lower equity or no equity at all will increase your loanable amount and thus increases your cost of borrowing or your interest payment para sa inyong housing loan. And basically, it requires a higher income requirement. Pagka naman mas mataas yung equity or down payment na pinapasok natin sa property, binababaan naman natin yung ating loanable amount, thus decreasing the cost of borrowings or interest payments sa ating housing loans. So basically, dito, you can have lower income requirement kasi mas mababa na yung monthly payments mo. So, for your bonus, dahil umabot ka sa part na ito ng video, ito yung dapat na strategy or rule of thumb na ginagamit mo kapag naghahanap ka na ng property na bibilhin mo.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Just give it! Damn!
So, ito yung tinatawag natin na rule of thirds. So, hindi rule of thirds sa photo or photography, rule of thirds when it comes to your finances. So, bagsak ulit tayo sa personal finance. Rule of thirds because ito rin naman yung ginagamit ng mga financing institution tulad ng pag-ibig or ng bank kapag nagpe-pre-approve sila ng housing loan. So, paano ba ito gumagana? So, alamin mo muna magkano ang iyong gross monthly income. Pag sabi natin gross monthly income, ito yung income na naka-state sa iyong contract at hindi pa tinatanggal dito ang taxes and other deductibles tulad ng pag-ibig, SSS, and PhilHealth. Ang gagawin mo lang, since rule of thirds, divide mo lang sa 3 yung iyong gross monthly income. So, kung kumikita ka ng 60,000 per month divided by 3, you can allocate 20,000 per month for your monthly loan payments. So, hindi lang siya basta equity payments, loan payments. So, susunod pag-aaralan natin bakit kaya dapat tayo bumabasa sa loan payments instead of equity payments pagdating sa income requirement. So, dapat 1/3 lang ng kinikita mo or ng sahod mo per month ang naka-allocate para sa iyong monthly housing loan payments or your mortgage. Eh Carlo, paano naman ako maghahanap ng ganyang property, no? At saka paano ko naman masisiguro na tama yung bibiling kong property? So, I have an offer for you since umabot ka dito. If you are looking for a property at gusto mong maghanap-hanap pa lang muna, di ba? Our company, Driven Marketing Group Incorporated, has different branches in Metro Manila and the nearby provinces here in Metro Manila such as Rizal and Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, and Bulacan. So, if you're looking for a property, any property type, mapa-condominium man yan, house and lot, or lot only, we have different properties for you. So, para masiguro mo na tama yung magiging computation mo at magkaroon ka ng malaking chance sa bank approval mo or pag-ibig approval mo, we can actually help you when it comes to the computation and when it comes, you know, in the process of your property purchase. So basically, we do not force anyone or any one of our clients to actually buy a property kung hindi naman sila ma-approve din naman. Kasi of course, if may mga down payment yung mga binibili natin, it will cost them. And ayaw naman namin yun na maglalabas sila ng money tapos hindi pala sila ma-approve sa bank. So, if you are looking for a brokerage company that can help you with your property purchase, here we are at Driven Marketing Group Incorporated. So, if you learn something at may natutunan ka sa video na to, please pakishare ang video na to para marami pa tayong ma-educate na iba pang tao at especially sa mga first-time home buyers. So, thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!